Hello, my name is Lorenzo Doria. I'm from the Samples British School here in São Paulo. I am here to do the BTEC Assignment Unit 7 Task 2. Basically, I am working for a recording studio here in São Paulo, and I have been asked to set up one of the studio computer systems. I will select the equipment needed for a typical music computer system, and I will set up a music computer by placing the equipment in the correct position and safely making the right connections. So firstly, we need to know about the health and safety issues. So for example, no drinks or food are allowed in this room, so it doesn't spill in any of the equipment and damage the equipment. Secondly, like the keyboard, it needs to be placed right at the center of the table. It can't be like this, otherwise if you try to play, it can fall off and also spoil the equipment, or neither too far. So the cables are stretched, and if they're stretched, they might be unplugged or even cut, so they need to be loose. So here we're using GarageBand. GarageBand, it is a line of digital audio workstation for the Mac OS and the iOS, and it basically allows users to create music or podcasts, and it is also like a type of audio editor. So here I have an input device, the headphone. Basically, we connect the headphone here in the computer, and we use the headphone so we have a better quality sound so we can hear better and analyze the music. So next, we're going to connect the synthesizer to the computer via MIDI cable. So here we're going to connect the MIDI cable, and we are going to connect it so we can transfer the sound from the synthesizer to the monitor here. And doing this, we can use GarageBand, this program here, to record and edit our sound. So once we have it connected, our sound should be picking up in the computer. So as you can see, the sound is being picked up. And here in GarageBand, we will edit the recordings so we can improve it. For example, we can add a beat to play it on top of like a loop-based sequence, or we can add a VST instrument, which is basically an artificial instrument, so we can have a different sound. There are also other ways to edit your work, like using Reverb or Echo. Once you have finished your masterpiece, your recordings here, you will save it in a storage device. In this case, it's a Mac computer, so it's the Macintosh. So you'll save it in a Macintosh. And that's basically it. I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you.